If keeping your home spotless feels like a never-ending chore, the Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Designed to combine powerful suction with intelligent mopping, this smart cleaning assistant takes care of dust, debris, and pet hair without you lifting a finger. With an impressive 8,000 PA suction power, a bagless self-emptying station that stores up to 45 days of dirt, and advanced LiDAR navigation, the E20 Plus delivers both convenience and performance. Whether you're a pet owner tired of battling hair tangles or a busy professional looking for hands-free cleaning, this robot is built to adapt to your lifestyle. Add in its AI obstacle avoidance, auto-lifting mop, and voice/app controls, and you've got a device that doesn't just clean, it thinks ahead. Let's explore why the Eureka E20 Plus could be your ultimate home cleaning upgrade. A quick look at the Eureka E20 Plus. Brand, Eureka. Model, NERE20 Plus. Color, white. Dimensions, 13.8 inches long by 3.8 inches wide by 13.8 inches high. Battery life, up to 180 minutes. Suction power, 8,000 PA. Capacity, 2 liters. Bagless self-emptying station with 45 days of debris storage. Controller options, app control, voice control, button control. Special features, LiDAR navigation, AI obstacle avoidance, auto-lifting mop, smart mapping, and no-go zones. Design and build quality. The E20 Plus has a modern and sleek circular design in white, which blends easily into most home decor. With a height of only 3.8 inches, it can glide under sofas, beds, and other low-clearance furniture, areas that are often neglected during manual cleaning. The docking station is slightly larger than those of standard robot vacuums because it houses the bagless self-emptying system. Unlike bagged stations that require regular purchase of replacement bags, this design saves money and reduces waste, a big plus for eco-conscious households. Suction power, a true standout. One of the most impressive aspects of the Eureka E20 Plus is its 8,000 PA suction power. To put that into perspective, most standard robot vacuums in this price range offer between 2,500 and 5,000 PA. The higher suction power allows it to effectively capture dust, crumbs, and stubborn pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Self-emptying station, 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Frequent dustbin emptying is often the biggest annoyance with robot vacuums. Eureka solves this problem with a bagless 2-liter self-emptying station that can hold up to 45 days of debris depending on household size and usage frequency. This feature is a game changer for pet owners dealing with constant shedding, busy professionals who don't want to fuss over daily maintenance, families with high-traffic homes where dirt accumulates quickly. Duo detect AI 3D obstacle avoidance and LiDAR navigation. Navigation is where many robotic vacuums fall short. Some models bump into furniture repeatedly, get stuck under chairs, or miss entire sections of the room. The Eureka E20 Plus combats this with dual LiDAR sensors and Duo Detect AI 3D obstacle avoidance. LiDAR mapping creates an accurate map of your home, even in low light conditions. This ensures efficient cleaning paths instead of random zigzags. Obstacle avoidance recognizes furniture, toys, and even small objects, preventing unnecessary collisions. No-go zones. Through the app, you can set boundaries where the robot shouldn't enter, perfect for pet bowls, play areas, or delicate spaces. Anti-hair tangling brush. If you own pets, you know the frustration of cleaning tangled fur out of brush rolls. Eureka addresses this with its V-shaped rubber brush roll, which is designed to minimize hair wrap by 14% compared to standard brushes. Intelligent mopping feature. Beyond vacuuming, the E20 Plus doubles as a mop. Many hybrid vacuums fall short here because they either lack smart detection or risk soaking carpets. Eureka has built in an auto-lifting mop that raises itself by 10 millimeters when carpets are detected. Battery life and performance. The vacuum is powered by a lithium-ion battery that provides up to 180 minutes of runtime per charge. This makes it ideal for cleaning medium to large-sized homes on a single cycle. When the battery runs low, the robot automatically returns to its docking station, recharges, and then resumes cleaning where it left off, a feature called Auto Resume Cleaning. Smart App and Voice Control. Eureka has ensured the E20 Plus integrates well with modern smart homes. You can control it through app control, schedule cleaning, set no-go zones, view cleaning history, and adjust section power or mop settings directly from your smartphone. Voice control works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so you can start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands. Manual buttons for quick activation without using a phone. This flexibility makes it easy for anyone in the household to operate. Pros and cons. Pros: 8,000 PA suction for deep carpet and hard floor cleaning. Bagless self-emptying station with 45 days of capacity, saves money on replacement bags. Dual LiDAR sensors with AI obstacle avoidance for precise navigation. Anti-hair tangling brush, ideal for pet owners. Auto-lifting mop prevents carpet wetting. Long 180-minute battery life with auto resume cleaning. Cons: initial cost may be higher than basic robot vacuums. The mop feature is best for light cleaning, not deep scrubbing. The docking station is larger due to self-emptying functionality. Final verdict: is the Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo worth it? The Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo strikes an excellent balance between raw cleaning power, smart navigation, and hands-free convenience. With its 8,000 PA section, bagless self-emptying station, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, it provides a more thorough and autonomous cleaning experience than many competitors in its class.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.